Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting and discussing an incredibly useful technique, the 50-30-20 rule. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple yet powerful tool to take control of your money. Before we jump into the details, let's understand the philosophy behind the 50-30-20 rule. It's a budgeting technique that helps you allocate your income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. So, let's break down these categories and see how they fit into your budget. The first category is needs, which should account for 50% of your monthly income. These are essential expenses that you must pay to maintain a basic standard of living. They include items like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, and insurance premiums. It's important to prioritize these expenses and ensure they don't exceed half of your income. Next up, we have wants, which make up 30% of your budget. These are the non-essential expenses that add enjoyment and comfort to your life. Wants can include dining out, entertainment, travel, shopping for non-essential items, and hobbies. This category allows you to enjoy your money guilt-free while still maintaining financial discipline. Finally, we come to the savings category, which makes up 20% of your income. This portion is dedicated to building financial security, preparing for emergencies, and working towards your long-term goals. It's crucial to prioritize savings because it creates a safety net and helps you achieve financial freedom. You can allocate this 20% towards an emergency fund, retirement savings, paying off debt, or investments. Now that we understand the breakdown, let's discuss some tips for implementing the 50-30-20 rule effectively. Start by tracking your income. To make this budgeting technique work, you need to have a clear understanding of how much money you bring in each month. Track your income from all sources to establish an accurate starting point. Identify your needs. Take a thorough look at your expenses and categorize them into needs and wants. Remember, needs are essential for survival and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Cut back on wants if needed. If your wants exceed the allocated 30%, it might be time to evaluate your spending habits. Look for areas where you can cut back or find alternatives to reduce costs. Automate your savings. Make saving a priority by automating your contributions to a separate savings account. This ensures that you consistently set aside the designated 20% without the temptation to spend it elsewhere. Revisit and adjust regularly. As your financial situation changes, it's essential to review and adjust your budget accordingly. This allows you to adapt to new circumstances and keep your financial goals on track. To wrap up, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting technique that helps you allocate your income wisely. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this 50-30-20 rule helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, leave your comments and questions down. See you guys in the next video.